Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete a journal entry in QuickBooks Online if it was entered incorrectly. But first things first, you have to make sure that you already have your QuickBooks plan so that you will be able to actually log into your account and to actually do this. So what you will have to do is again open your QuickBooks Online and click on the gear icon to access your settings. And then after that, you will just have to click on charts of accounts and look for the transaction that you want to delete the entry. And then for the third one, you will under the action column, you will click on the view register, and then you will have to click on the journal entry and choose the delete. But however, you cannot delete multiple journal entries in the QuickBooks Online as no such feature is currently available in this version. So after all that, you will be receiving a confirmation message will that will blink on your screen, and then you will just have to click yes to delete the transaction entry. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.